Welcome to Education Hub. A. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cherry. D. D is for dragon fruit. E. E is for elderberry. F. F is for fig. G. G is for guava. H. H is for hazelnut. I is for ikako. J. J is for jackfruit. K. K is for kiwi. L. L is for lab. M. M is for mango. N. N is for nashi pear. O. O is for orange. P. P is for plum. Q. Q is for quince. R. R is for raspberry. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for Tangelo. U. U is for ugly fruit. V. V is for velvet apple. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for zinnia. Y. Y is for Yuzu. Z. Z is for Zinfandel grapes. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.